Hello folks, today's video is on a Icom IC-R75 communications receiver, made by Icom obviously. Very nice radio. The power adapter for it is by Icom. It's the 8055A. Puts out 16 volts DC at 1 amp. This one was just dropped off like no more than 15 minutes ago for repair. The problem with this one is on the back, the DC jack is very loose. That is not a good thing. So today's video is going to see if we can't do something with this. See if we can't fix that jack. So anyways, if you're interested in tagging along, then by all means, let's get this show on the road. Let's get the covers off of this radio and see what we're dealing with. Okay, so we have the top cover removed, the R75, and here's the offending power jack. And it looks like Icom glued that on there. Do we support it? Okay. I don't know why they would do that. That's, yeah, I'm sure they had their reasons. So yeah. Looks like we could take the bottom cover off to get at the solder connections underneath. And I'm hoping to hell that the solder or the traces on the board ain't damaged by this. This is not looking good, but we shall see. Anyways, let's get the bottom cover off and see what we're dealing with here. Well, taking the bottom cover off ain't going to get me anywhere. Oh, lots of space on the bottom, but yeah. So just we'll put the bottom cover back on again, because we got to take the main board out of this radio in order to fix this power jack. Lovely. Anyway, hang tight. Alright, so in order to get this board out, we have a bunch of screws here. Got a screw here, here, here. Basically the four corners, one here. Then I've got to release this jumper cable, this jumper cable, this jumper cable, and this jumper cable, this jumper cable, possibly, yeah, I'm going to release this one as well, and you have 3 room cables here. Oh man, alright. Be very gentle with these ribbon cables. They are a royal pain. We damaged them. Not gonna be a good day. Oh well, let's get some jumpers. Let's get some jumpers unplugged here. Okay, so we got her disconnected, but down here, that is not a good sign. It's not a good sign at all. Oh Lord. There's the power side of it. As you can see, all the solder joints have been destroyed. So we'll try to build them up now with some new solder. Then we'll try the radio, and hopefully this ain't as bad as by the looks. Or I should say, hopefully this ain't as bad as by the looks. That's oh man, oh man. Fingers crossed, folks. Fingers crossed that there's nothing, no other damage done to this. That is not a good sign. Nice coverage. 60 megs. Wow. Lovely. Great radio. Inches, AM, up and lower sideband, CWRTTY, filter, FM, DS. She's got a keypad, VFO menu, or VFO and memory. Memory right clear, select, scan, up, down, lock button, ADC noise blanker, preamp attenuator, noise reduction, noise filter I would assume. Nice. She's a great little radio. So, anyways, locked screen, just can't change nothing. One thing that I would definitely change if I had this radio, or I would suggest to the owner of this Icom R75, before you power up your radio, before you plug this thing into the wall, plug your adapter in, your jack here, plug that one in first, and then your plug. Otherwise she's going to spark right here. I don't like the way this radio powers up just because of that. I'm not a fan of that. It was me. If I owned this, I'd make some changes on the way this radio powers up. Right now, she only powers up on the momentary button. You hold it, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. You hear in the back there's a relay in there. Yeah, there's a few changes I do. Lovely radio though. Big display. Nice radio. Let's take her up to 6 meters and see if she hears the beacon from Memorial University up there. Down around 038. There you go. Nice radio. Anyways, a little repair for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. All the best, folks. 73.